Good morning, my dear students. I hope that all are good. Before class, we have discussed about the substitution methods. Substitution method by the integration. Okay, how to substitute. Okay, which one you substitute. Now today we are going to integrals of some particular functions. Some particular functions means first we learn the formulas. After that we will go to the problems. Okay, integration of some particular functions. Integration of some particular functions. Integration of the some particular functions. Observe that. What are the particular functions? First we observe that. First one, integral of 1 by x square minus a square dx. You know this one? I think you don't know. Second one, integral of 1 by a square minus x square dx. Third one, 1 by a square plus x square dx. Fifth one, fourth one, integral of 1 by root over x square minus a square dx. Fifth one, integral of 1 by root over a square minus x square dx. These are the particular functions. Okay. Actually, you know the formulas. Before actually you know 1 by integral of 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse of x. Integral of 1 by x square minus a square. We don't know the formula I think. Integral of root 1 by 1 minus x square means either sin inverse of x or minus cos inverse of x. Okay, my dear students. Now these are the particular functions. Observe that. Those functions are very, very important one. Okay. By using this one, we will do the lot of problems. Okay, my dear students. Now how to do this one? What is the integration of this one? What is the integration of this one? What? Already I explained in the differentiation substitution method. You know idea about that or not? If the function a square plus x square type, x is equal to a tan theta, I have substitution. Root over, for suppose a square minus x square, x value a sin theta or a cos theta, x square minus a square, x value a secant theta or a cosecant theta. You know idea about that, I think. Okay, I already explained that one. Now here these two are the special function. Now what is going on? I is equal to, here I is equal to, solution of first one, integral of 1 by x square minus a square dx. Okay, my dear students, x square minus a square dx. Now 1 by x square minus a square, I will write it here in this way, 1 by x square minus a square, that is equal to 1 by x plus a into x minus a. Okay, my dear students, x plus a into x minus a. Now what I am writing this one is, for suppose in numerator 1 is there, x plus a minus x minus a by x plus a x minus a. Denominator is same. What about numerator, tell me? Now plus x minus cancel, minus a plus a 2a, but we want 1 only. In numerator 2a is divided by 2a. It's enough. That is equal 1 by 2a. What happened this one? After calculation again we will get this one. Plus x minus x cancel, plus a, minus into minus plus a plus a 2a, 2a cancel, we will get again this one. Means 1 by x plus a into x minus a, you can express it in this way. Okay, what happened? Now separation, 1 by 2a. Now separating means this one by this one. This one by this one, in between minus is there means this one by this one. This one by this one means this one cancel, what is the remaining? 1 by x minus a minus this one by this one means 1 by x plus a. Now 1 by x square minus a square, you have to substitute that one. 1 by 2a is constant, you write in front of the integration. Okay, my dear students, 1 by 2a integral of 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a dx. Okay, okay, yes. Now here observe that integral of in the form of 1 by x. Integral of 1 by x means log mod x. Here integral of 1 by x log mod x. Again x minus a derivative is 1, x plus a derivative is 1. Okay, my dear students, 1 by 2a into integral of 1 by x means log mod x minus a minus, that is equal to next log mod x plus c plus c. Again, suppose x minus a derivative, x derivative 1 minus a derivative 0 by 1, x plus a, x derivative 1 plus a derivative 0 by 1, no need of by 1, you write. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 2a log a minus log b. Log a minus log b formula, log a by log b, that is equal log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. This is the formula for, therefore, integral of 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. This is the formula for this one. Have that you understood or not? In this way, we will complete the problems. For suppose in the examination point, for suppose integral of 1 by 16 minus 25 x square dx. Asking in this one 16 minus 25 x square. Okay, write down. How to do? I is equal integral of 1 by 16 write as 4 square minus 25 x square write as 5x whole square dx. What the formula is going on? 1 by a square minus x square. Oh, here a square, reverse we will write. Okay, no problem. Oh, next formula is going on. Okay, sorry. 25x square minus 16. Okay. Now, how to write this one? 5x whole square minus 4 square. Here x square minus a square. Okay. 1 by, this is x square minus a square formula. 1 by 2a. Here a value is 4. Okay. 1 by 2a log mod x minus a. X means 5x minus a means 4 by 5x plus 4 by 5. Why by 5? Here observe that x minus a by x plus a, x minus a derivative 1, x plus a derivative, that is why you write 1, no need write the 1, but here 5x derivative is 5, 100% you will write, minus 4 derivative 0, no need. Okay. Only this total function is 5x, here 5x minus 4, what is the derivative of 5x minus 4 is 5. Okay. 1 by 2 into 8, 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 1 by 40 log mod 5x minus 4 by 5x plus 4. Okay, my dear student, this is plus c. Now, what is the first formula? What is the first formula? Integral of 1 by x square minus a square dx, that is equal to 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay, my dear student. Next, we are going to the second one. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the second problem. What is the second one? I is equal to integral of 1 by a square minus x square dx. 1 by a square minus x square. In the same way, we will continue. 1 by a square minus x square, that equal to 1 by a plus x into a minus x, a plus x into a minus x. Okay, my dear students. Now, how to write it as a plus x plus a minus x. Both are adding. I will write the adding. Okay, by a plus x into a minus x. Okay, my dear students. No problem at all. Okay. What happened here? Plus x minus x cancel, a plus a 2a. In the numerator 2a is extra is there, but you want only 1. That's why you write 1 by 2a. Okay, my dear students. How to write? No problem. This is minus, this is plus. Minus x plus x cancel, a plus a 2a. You write in any way, no problem at all. Separation 1 by 2a, separation a minus x by a plus x, a minus x, a minus x, a minus x cancel, 1 by a plus x plus 1 by, here a plus x cancel, 1 by a minus x. Now substitute here this one. What happened? That is equal to 1 by 2a integral of 1 by a plus x plus 1 by a minus x whole dx. Okay, my dear students. Now 1 by 2a integral of 1 by x. is log mod a plus x, log x. Again a plus x derivative, a derivative 0, x derivative 1. Only 1 means no need, right? Plus this is log of a minus x modulus, okay, log of a minus x by, observe that a derivative 0, minus x derivative is minus 1. That's why I am writing. Okay, my dear students. Now 1 by 2a log mod a plus x, plus into minus minus, log mod a minus x plus c. Here plus into minus minus. Okay, 1 by 2a log a minus log b, log a by b, log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the problems. Okay, next we are going to the next problem. Okay. Now we are going to the next problem. Integral of 1 by a square plus x square. Okay, I is equal to integral of 1 by a square plus x square dx. Already before in the differentiation, already in the substitution method, once we will see the substitution method, already explained, substitution is going on here. Okay, substitution means 1 by a square plus x square or under root of a square plus x square type, must and should put x is equal to a secant theta. Okay, my dear students. Why? Because for suppose secant square theta, x is equal, sorry, a tan theta. What happened tan theta? Tan theta or cot theta, whatever may be. Okay, but suppose here a square is equal to x square tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta means secant square theta. Okay. Here in this one, x square minus a square means 100% x is equal to a secant theta. A square minus x square means a sin theta. You remember that one. What the substitution is going on means, okay. Now here 100% put x is equal to a tan theta. Here a square plus x square. Put x is equal to a tan theta. What happened? You know very well. Whenever 100% in terms of theta means total integration will be changed into the theta. Now dx, differential of x is dx. Actually derivative of x with respect 1 is equal to theta d theta by dx, again cross multiplication, no problem at all. A into tan theta derivative secant square theta into d theta. Okay, my dear students. Secant square theta into d theta. Now substitute 1 by 1. Integral of 1 by a square plus x square. X square means a square tan square theta. Dx is there. What is the dx? Here. A secant square theta d theta. Okay, my dear students. Okay, no problem at all. That is equal integral of 1 by, here taken common a square. A square the common means 1 plus tan square theta. Taken common a square means 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta means secant square theta. Secant square theta into here a secant square theta d theta. What happened, my dear students? Here a cancel. Now secant theta 1 secant square theta cancel. What are the remaining terms? 1 by a integral of 1 d theta, that is equal to 1 by a into theta plus c. Integral of 1 d theta, integral of 1 dx means x, integral of 1 d theta means theta. Now from this one theta we will find. Here tan theta is equal to how much? X by a. Theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. X is equal to a tan theta is equal to x by a, theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. Okay, that is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. What is the formula of this one? Integral of 1 by a square plus x square. Compulsory remember the formulas. Here a square minus x square, don't confuse. Here integral of a square plus x square. What happened, my dear students? This is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, here for suppose the same problem, next everyone missing here, fourth one r plus you will take, that one is minus is there. For suppose you will take the root. This is 1 by a square plus x square. What happened? This is root per suppose. Next question. For suppose this is question number 4, that is 5, 6, 7. Okay, no problem. 1 by, before problem is a square plus x square. Now 1 by root of a square plus x square, my dear students. Observe that. Same process is going on. X is equal to a tan theta, dx is equal to this one. Now you have to substitute here root, just root. Okay, my dear students. Now here, now observe that from this one we will calculate. Okay, my dear students. Here we will take the common a square. A square means 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta means secant square theta. Integral 1 by root over, taken common a square. 1 plus tan square theta means secant square theta into a secant square theta d theta. Now square root cancel. This is a secant theta only. Yeah. This is equal to integral of 1 by, what about this? A secant theta into a secant square theta. Root of a square secant square theta means a secant theta, here a secant square theta. Now what happened? This one cancel, secant theta, secant square theta cancel. Now what is going on? This is secant theta d theta. What about secant theta? Integral of secant theta you know very well. Log mod secant theta plus tan theta plus c. You know the value of tan theta. Tan theta means x by a. But here secant theta we will find. Okay. Per suppose relation between them. We know that the secant square theta is equal to root over, secant theta equal to root over 1 plus tan square theta. Agree? Yeah. Log mod, first you write the tan theta plus secant theta. Secant theta means what is the formula of secant theta? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant theta is equal to root over 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta plus c. Now log mod, tan theta value you know very well. Tan theta value x by a plus root over 1 plus tan square theta. Root over 1 plus tan square theta means 1 plus root over 1 plus x square by a square, my dear students, plus c. Okay, what happened is going on, that is equal to log mod x by a plus LCM is a square plus x square. Or x square plus a square, whatever a square plus x square. Okay, my dear students, a square plus x square. A square plus x square by actually root of a square. Root a square is there. Root a square means a. Now, what is the LCM is going on here? X plus log of x plus root of a square plus x square by a. Okay, my dear students. That equals log mod x plus root of x square plus a square by actually by log by a plus c. Here observe that log a by b. Log a by b means log a minus log b. Here log a is the constant, total constant. Constant derivative, already antiderivative. In the antiderivative, infinite antiderivatives are there. This by a plus c. That constant is again c. What happened that one? Understand or not? Log a by b actually. Log a by b means log a minus log b. Here minus log a is the constant. Minus log a plus c is the constant. That we will consider as another constant. What happened that one? Log mod x plus root over x square plus a square plus something constant c, capital C. Okay, no problem at all. That is the formula for 1 by root over a square plus x square. 1 by root over a square plus x square formula, log of x plus root over a square plus x square. Okay, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Before what we learn, okay. Fourth one, 1 by root over a square plus x square dx. Okay. That formula is log mod x plus root over a square plus x square or okay, x square plus a square or a square plus x square, whatever may be you will write. Okay, no problem at all. Okay. Next we are going to the next problem. I is equal to integral of 1 by x square minus a square dx. Just you remember these all formulas, my dear students. Okay, proofs not necessary, but you remember these all formulas. Very, very important. Okay, root over x square minus a square. Now here x square minus a square minus x square minus, don't confuse, x square minus a square. What is the substitution going on in this one? X is equal to a secant theta or a cosecant theta. Now substitute x is equal to a secant theta. Here from this one, secant theta is equal to how much? X by a. Okay, dx is equal to a into what is the derivative of secant theta? Secant theta into tan theta. Secant theta into tan theta into d theta. Okay, I hope that you understood this one. Okay. Now substitute is going on 1 by root over x square means a square secant square theta minus a square dx. Dx means a secant theta tan theta d theta. Now taken common here a square, secant square theta minus 1, secant square theta, a square taken common out, secant square theta minus 1, that is tan square theta. Root over this is total a square tan square theta. Since secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Here taken common a square, secant square theta minus 1 means tan square theta. Here dx means, what the dx? What the dx? Here you write this one, a secant theta tan theta into d theta. Okay, my dear students. Now here square root cancel, tan square root cancel. Okay, what is this one? 1 by a tan theta into a secant theta tan theta. A tan theta cancel. What are the remaining terms? Integral of secant theta. Okay. You know very well integral of secant theta? Log mod secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, my dear students, what happened? Log mod secant theta plus tan theta. Plus c will take no problem. Log mod secant theta value you know very well. Secant theta value is x by a plus, before I told secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Tan theta is equal, what is the meaning of tan theta? That is equal secant square theta minus 1 plus c. Tan theta is equal root over secant square theta minus 1. That is equal log mod x by a plus root over x square by a square minus 1 plus c. Now LCM is a square. Log mod x by a plus root over x square minus a square by a only. Here LCM is again the same way. Log mod x plus root over x square minus a square by a plus c. Here you write log a by b, log a minus log b. Minus log b means minus log a plus c. You have to take the another constant. Okay, my dear students, that equal logarithm of x plus root over x square minus a square. Actually, log a by b means minus log a plus c. Log a is a constant, plus c is constant. You will take another constant, capital C. No problem at all. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood or not. Yes, going to next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem? Integral of 1 by a square minus x square. Last fifth one. Observe that I is equal to, last not fifth one, sixth one. Okay, already included one in between. 1 by root over a square minus x square dx. Here a square minus x square type. Once we see the substitution method in the differentiation, x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta, whatever may be. X is equal to a sin theta. This implies sin theta equal to how much? X by a. Cos theta equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. No problem at all. Substitute dx is equal to a into sin theta derivative cos theta d theta. Okay, my dear students, we are going to next problem, that is integral of 1 by a square minus x square. Now, a square minus x square means 100% x is equal to a sin theta equal to x by a, dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. This is equal to integral of 1 by, substitution is going on, root over a square minus x square. X square means a square sin square theta. Okay. Dx means a cos theta d theta. Now that is equal to 1 by, what about this one? Root of a square common, 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta into a cos theta d theta. Here square root cancel means a cos theta, this is a cos theta cancel. 1 by a cos theta into, here this is a cos theta d theta. Here a cos theta cancel. Integral of d theta. Integral of d theta means 100%, my dear students, theta plus c. What is theta? Theta is equal to sin inverse of x by a. Sin inverse of x by a. This is the formula number 6. Integral of 1 by root over a square minus x square dx. That equals sin inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will do the formulas, some special functions. We will do the some formulas. Now, by using these formulas, we are going to the, okay, we will do the problems. Okay, my dear students. Now, we are going to the some problems on these formulas. Now, for suppose one by one I am explaining. Okay, for suppose already before one explain. For suppose the first question is, for suppose evaluate 1 by 9 minus 2x square. For suppose this what happened, integral of 1 by 9 minus 2x square. Immediately your mind, this is 9 is constant, a square minus x square formula, a square minus x square formula, 100%. Keep in mind the formula. This is equal to, observe that 1 by 9 can be written as 3 square, minus 2x square means root 2x whole square, 100%. 100% our goal is perfect square, you will write 1 by a square minus x square formula, 1 by a square minus x square formula, 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. Okay, my dear students, that is called 1 by 2a, 2 into a value is 3, log mod a plus x, 3 plus root 2x by 3 minus root 2x plus c by root 2. Why by root 2? 3 derivative 0, root 2x derivative, 3 derivative 0, root 2x derivative is root 2. That is 1 by 6 root 2, 2 3 are 6, 6 into root 6 root 2, log mod 3 plus root 2x by 3 minus root 2x plus c, my dear students. Hope that you understood or not? Yes. Okay. Next problem we are going to next one. For suppose integral of 1 by 4 plus 9x square dx. 4 plus 9x square dx. What happened this one? 1 by 4 means 2 square, 9x square means 3x whole square dx. 1 by a square plus x square. 1 by a square, no, it has no root. 1 by a square plus x square formula. 1 by a tan inverse of. 1 by a means 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by a, 3x by 2, x by a by 3. Why by 3? 3x derivative is 3. Okay, that is equal 1 by 6. 2 derivative is 0, 3x derivative is 3. Okay, my dear students, 2 3s are 6, tan inverse of 3x by 2 plus c. Okay, in this way we will complete the problems. Okay, next we are going to the next formula. What is that one? Root over a square plus x square. What is the going on? Root over a square plus x square. Okay, we are going to one more problem. For suppose what happened, what the question is going on, 1 by, okay, integral of 1 by root over 1 plus 4x square dx, my dear students. 1 by root over 1 plus 4x square dx. Okay, you observe that I is equal integral of 1 by root over 1 means 1 square, 4x square means 2x whole square dx. Which formula? 1 by a square plus x square means this one, log of, this is equal log of x. X means log x. X means here 2x plus root over x, a square means 1 plus x square means 2x whole square means 4x square plus c by 1 derivative 0, 2x derivative is 2. Okay, that equal log mod 1 by 2, write down 1 by 2 log mod 2x plus root over 1 plus 4x square plus c. Whole divided by 2, not here, whole divided by 2. Okay, in this way we will complete the problems. Next, integral of next one, 1 by root over 9 minus 25x square dx. 9 minus 25x square. Okay, my dear students. Now, here how to write this one? Integral of 1 by root over 9 means 3 square. 25 means 5x whole square dx. Integral of 1 by a square minus x square. Integral of 1 by a square minus x square formula already you know. Integral of 1 by a square minus x square formula sin inverse of x by a. Sin inverse of x. Suppose you will take the cos x is equal to a cos theta. What is the formula? Minus cos inverse of x by a. No problem at all. Okay. This is equal sin inverse of x. X means 5x by a means 3 by 5x derivative is 5. That is answer is 1 by 5 sin inverse of 5x by 3 plus c. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the remaining problems. Thank you, one and all.